Greetings everyone, I'm Tom Vanderwell with Intelligentics, where intelligence meets tactics. Welcome back to Three Things Thursday. It is February 27th, 2020. Each week we bring you one item trending, one item from the trenches of our current projects, and one timeless principle. Well, the markets continue to fall with fears of the spread of the coronavirus, and that is what's trending. Markets entered correction territory this afternoon as fear of the economic fallout spread. The coronavirus is not yet a global pandemic. The World Health Organization considers it an epidemic in specific parts of the world. Much like the trade war-induced volatility in 2019, I am reminded today that financial markets are often driven by emotion. They overreact to both good news and bad news. And this reminds me of an item from the trenches of Intelligentics projects. Over the years, we've been blessed to work with companies large and small in both the private and public sectors. One of my observations is that our privately held clients have often been better at weathering storms of market volatility and keeping their eyes on long-term strategic goals, while I observe that our publicly held clients sometimes find themselves forced to take their eyes off strategic long-term goals in order to appease short-term emotional overreactions of shareholders. And that brings me to this week's timeless principle. The Greek philosopher Aristotle said that it's in our darkest moments we must focus to see the light. 2009, 2010, 200,000 people died of the swine flu. And in the late 1960s, 1 million people died of the Hong Kong flu. In both cases, markets quickly recovered and the economy marched on. By the way, the global coronavirus death toll as of today is 2,800. I'm Tom Vanderwell with Intelligentics, where intelligence meets tactics, encouraging you to stay focused on your strategic goals and, as Aristotle put it, focus to see the light in dark times. Be safe, be diligent, be wise, and have a great week. We'll see you here next week.